Ever wonder how Amazon sellers know exactly what products you sell? If so, I'll be going over a tool a lot of Amazon sellers use called Seller Spy. Let me show it to you in depth in today's video. So let's say you find a product and you want to see every product they sell and also see if you can resell their product. So I found this Hello Kitty plush, right? And 400 sold in the past month. It's making a significant amount of money. And we want to see what other products do they sell and are we able to compete against them? So there's this tool right here. There's a link in the description. There's a free trial. It's called Seller Assistant app. But anyway, what you can do is you just click Add Seller. And then you're going to see their seller name right here. See, it says sold by Lucky, COAQAC. And you're going to put their name in here, click add, and it's going to go through every single listing they sell. Now you can click this button, go to Seller Storefront, and then it actually shows you if it's unlocked and ungated. So if it's ungated, you can literally click on this, and this means I could resell this item, right? Myself, right? And it also is showing you some different monthly sales, some estimates, right? Some sales data, so you can see if you want to sell this item at all. But it's a really cool item. But what this does, so I can also view all of their ASINs in bulk, just like this. So if I click download, it's going to open up this and it's going to show me every single ASIN they sell. So it's a nice organized list, and it shows you if it's been added, maybe they removed it, aka they ran out of stock, or they changed their listing, and it actually shows you that data right here. It shows you the price, the ASIN, what category they're selling in, the link, the title, right? So it shows you a lot of different data on here. But what you can do is take this, go into the bulk restriction checker, and just see what ASINs are you allowed to resell. This is great if you're doing it for Nike, maybe if you're trying to sell Michael Kors or some big name brands and you have an outlet store near you. So you can copy this, or just a competitor and you want to see if you can resell their item. I'm going to click Upload ASINs, and I'm copying the list of all the ASINs they sell, putting it right here, clicking Upload. And it's literally going to be going through every single ASIN that they have and seeing which ones are unlocked, aka you can sell these products, which ones are locked, your whole entire account isn't eligible, or which ones you need to provide invoices for, right? So there's a lot of different ones, and you can see I've already done it, and they're all unlocked. I can resell every single one of their products. So what I can do is go to Alibaba or go to my store and then buy it and resell under their listing without any issues, right? Because we're completely ungated for these products. I can also go through manually and just click this ungate button, and then it's automatically going to take me to like my Seller Central account that's going to help me get these ungated. So there's a button right here, click that. If you're logged into Amazon Seller Central, you can just automatically request approval, and right now we're already pre-approved for this brand. Here's an example that I just did. I literally clicked request approval. It didn't ask me for any documentation, and it says your selling application is approved. So pretty darn good. This tool does work, right? And it's one of the best ways for resellers to check items in bulk. They've got a lot of different extensions, some other tools, but overall, this is one of the ways competitors can review all these listings in bulk, and then they put them in a bulk checker to see which ones they're allowed to resell. Whatever's making a lot of money, they double down on, especially people in China, and then they resell against you and then hijack your listing, right? And there's nothing you can do about it a lot of the times, because their account's completely approved to sell the same item as yours. This is how you can get resellers, and you can know what category and what products you're allowed to technically resell or create your own listing for. But that's it for today's video. If you could spy on any competitor's Amazon listings, who would it be and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.